Hey guys, welcome to In the Kitchen with Nichole Lynel. Today we are going to be baking, which I don't really bake, but we're making this super cute St. Patrick's Day cake, and let's get started. I'm gonna first get all our ingredients together. So we have eggs, oil, water, cake mix, and our Lucky Charms. Okay, so first I like to prep all of my ingredients. So let's get cracking with these eggs. Oh, thank God. Don't embarrass me, eggs, please. Okay, so according to my Natalie, dry first, as you can see. Everybody loves a little store-bought cake, and I love some funfetti. But the secret weapon that makes it absolutely amazing is a little dash of vanilla. Just a little dash. Makes a big difference. I am a major glam girl on the go who loves for things to be effortless, and I'm not a baker, but this KitchenAid, you guys, essential. Kitchen essential. So after you're done mixing, you're gonna make sure you pour your batter into a greased or nonstick pan. We dusted ours lightly with some flour so it doesn't stick. So after you've cooled your cakes, it's time to frost. The last step, which is my favorite, is adding the Lucky Charms. I love holidays and I'm super festive, so this is the perfect St. Patrick's Day treat. You just spin it around and keep adding more marshmallows, and before you know it, you will have an amazing St. Patty's Day creation. So subscribe to my channel and comment below if you would like to see more yummy creations from the NL Kitchen. Bye guys. So now the part everybody wants to know. Is it actually good? She is fluffy and bouncy. Wow. I don't know what else to say. It's one of the best moves I made.